In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a jewelry photo in PhotoRoom and export it as PNG or JPEG. We're going to take a raw jewelry photo and turn it into a clean, polished product image that's ready for your shop or social media. Start by opening your browser, heading to photoroom.com, and logging in so you have access to the editor and export options. Once you're in, look for the Create a Design button. This opens a fresh workspace where you'll build your final image. Next, click Select Photos. Choose the jewelry image you want to work with from your computer or device. For best results, start with a well-lit photo where the piece is in focus. High-resolution images give you cleaner edges and better detail on metals and gemstones. After your photo loads, take a moment to adjust edges if needed. PhotoRoom usually detects and isolates the subject automatically, but jewelry can be tricky, especially around thin chains or open spaces in earrings. Zoom in and check the outline. If you see halos, missing areas, or rough cutouts, use the available edge refining tools to clean things up. The goal is a crisp, natural edge that keeps the shape and sparkle intact without looking over-sharpened. Now click Templates and browse the styles. You can pick a clean studio look, a subtle gradient, or a lifestyle-inspired layout, or simply leave the background white for a classic product photo. White is often preferred for marketplaces and catalogs because it's consistent and distraction-free. If you do choose a template, make sure it complements the metal color and gemstones rather than competing with them. With your background in place, resize and rotate the image to compose it nicely. Keep the jewelry centered or slightly higher than center to balance the frame, and leave comfortable margins so nothing looks cramped. If the piece appears tilted, rotate gently until it feels straight and intentional. Avoid stretching. Maintain the original proportions so the piece looks true to life. When you're happy with the composition, click Download and select Export PNG or JPEG. Choose PNG if you need crisp edges or plan to use a transparent background in future designs. Choose JPEG if you want a smaller file size and you're working with a solid white background. Either way, keep the resolution high enough for clear, detailed viewing. That's it. You've logged in, created a design, selected and refined your photo, picked a template or white background, adjusted the composition, and exported your final image. Save your file and you're ready to publish it wherever you need.